Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Meta Business Suite Insights. To begin, open Facebook in your web browser. Once you're signed in, look to the left-hand navigation panel and select your business page. In this example, you'll simply choose the page you want to manage. This step is important because Meta Business Suite Insights is connected to a specific page, so you'll want to make sure you're viewing the correct one before continuing. After your page opens, click on Meta Business Suite. This will take you into the main dashboard where Meta gathers tools for content, messaging, planning, and performance tracking all in one place. If you're new to the platform, this area can feel busy at first, but the Insights section gives you a much clearer picture of how your page is performing. Next, find Insights in the left navigation and click it. This opens the performance area where you can review metrics and trends related to your business presence. Then select View All Insights to expand your access to the full reporting experience. This is helpful because it gives you more detailed categories to explore instead of only showing a high-level snapshot. Once you're in the full Insights area, click on Overview. This section gives you a broad summary of performance, making it a useful starting point when you want a quick sense of what's happening across your page. Then click on Plan. This area helps you connect your activity to upcoming strategy and scheduling, so it's useful when you want to understand how your planning relates to overall performance. After that, click on Result. Here you can review outcome-focused metrics that show what your efforts are producing. This can help you identify whether your content and activity are leading to the engagement or business goals you're aiming for. Next, click on Audience. This section is especially useful for learning more about the people interacting with your page. You may see demographic or audience-related insights that help you better understand who your content is reaching. From there, click on Messaging. This area focuses on message activity, which can be useful if customer communication is an important part of your page strategy. Then click on Benchmark. Benchmarking can help provide context by comparing performance patterns, giving you a better sense of how your page is doing over time. After that, click on Overview again within the Content Insights area. This gives you a summary view specifically related to content performance. Finally, click on Content. This section lets you look more closely at how individual posts and content pieces are performing. As you review these areas, take your time moving between tabs so you can understand what each one offers and how it supports your reporting needs.